Tell me, young graduate, what are your plans for your life? This song's called The Graduate, and I like to think that it's pretty fun to be a graduate, but what do you do then? What do you do, graduate? What do you do, my friend? Go wash your car, man. Go wash your car, but the car wash is closed because the snow and the ice froze everything and all the pipe burst. And then in your church, all the pipe burst, and then all of a sudden you got a whole bunch more work that you can do. It's a good thing though, because I'm going to go to servepro.com and get me a job working for ServPro. No, it's expresspro.com. If you go to expresspro.com, you can get on at one of these big companies that are, kind of doing restoration work, because so many people's houses and businesses and churches and stuff, they had all this stuff just fell away, man. Fell away. Fell away. Fell away. Fell away.